Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. Super excited about this. Finally get to share something with you. Back in our long travel days of our Tundra from 2019, we had a pre-runner bumper and it was quite popular. People have been asking us, when are we gonna do a new bumper? Well, here it is. Third gen Tundra. This is our pre-runner bumper that we decided to build for this. Design, in-house, build, and try to really put a lot of thought into this for the consumer standpoint of installation, fitment, functionality, and everything to go along with it. But the factory sensor was mounted right down here. Actually, this rubber piece actually covers up half of it underneath here, but it's nice because you're able to use it as a reference point. Plus then we're able to cut the line to keep it nice and tight, then tuck this back up under here, then relocate the sensor back in the exact same location from factory. People are gonna ask, well, where's the other sensors? We got that. We made these brackets in here and they go right in, they're welded right into this bumper. And right in the back, you plug in your factory sensor in the location that it was from the factory. And we did all this testing just to make sure all the sensors worked. And when you walked by, it located everything, located yourself on the dash and everything. The lights come on for the camera. Everything works the way it's supposed to. This particular bumper got our outer light bar bracket mount for the front of it. We are building another one that'll be just a straight pre-runner bumper, which will be the exact same bumper, just without this section of this. The customer actually had requested this. One of the other reasons why we designed the bumper this way is, let's just say someone does long travel on their truck and they do the big fenders and they're out a little bit farther, then this section of the bumper, we actually make it in different lengths to match those bumpers for those long travel trucks. Skid plate, fully functional. We designed the angle in here, so it's actually the approach angle on this, and then the angle on it is not too great where you'd run into something and it would stop the truck. This has a really nice transition in the front here. Then it wraps down underneath the transfer case here, and then attaching to that transfer case skid plate, we then have the transmission skid plate that integrates into that as well. We put a lot of adjustment in this, so it allows you to really get the bumper to sit really how you need to get it to sit, and really get it to, on the frame horns here, bolt directly up and not have to have any kind of weld on or anything like that. And then the nice thing is that we still kept the angle of the skid plate nice, and we're able to keep it up or get it down a little bit lower than where the frame mounts are here. So we're not have to worry about like catching on something on the frame mount here. It's going to catch on the skid plate. Put a little design in here. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna add some color into that from the backside so that the windows are all shaded and stuff. And then it's got a really nice access panel on the bottom of it to allow you access to changing the oil on this. And it's a really nice, we designed it. It's got our hexagon design, and it's got Allen's countersunk gallons. It's flush mount, so you don't have to worry about it ever catching on anything. And then here again, on our traditional bottle openers on the end, the way it designs and comes into here on both sides and then steps out into here, it really ties in. When I stand here and I look at this with the time that we put into this, I think we nailed it. We just felt like we wanted to simplify things, make it a little bit easier, and make something like this that allows people to do something a little different than what you're usually seeing out there in the open. We're gonna share this one with you. We're gonna swap this out with the other bumper. So stay tuned, make sure you check back with us to see the other bumper without the front bar. And then guess what? We want you to give your opinion. Do you like this look with the bar, or do you like it without the bar, the little bit cleaner look? So look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to sharing with you. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel. And if you want, go ahead and comment below. We'd love to hear from you what your thoughts are. Thanks so much for watching.